Hi, I am Green Ghost, and we're here at the Gold's Gym Classic. I'm going to show off a little of our stuff too, because of course we want to compete a little bit with Jay Cutler. I'm going to challenge him to a little one-on-one, me and Jay.
What's up with the boots? What do you got?
It's Charlie Clark, one of our sponsors from Nissan right there, ladies and gentlemen.
That's Green Ghost.
Green Ghost.